Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a princess dress and some accessories. Let's start drawing a beautiful dress. I start with the top, a heart. And 2 straps. Then the bottom of the skirt. Wow, it's big. Now I draw a cute crown. Pair of high heels like Cinderella. And finally, a magic wand with a star. I color the dress with the colors of the rainbow. Now to coloring time. Red for heart, orange for straps, yellow, green, light blue, red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, red, orange, yellow, light blue, blue, pink, red, green. Great job, my little artist. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.